Okay, welcome back to my channel, and we're here at the Hoarder house. It was just completed, put on the market. I believe they got 3 or 4 offers already. It is in escrow, but I wanted you to take a look at it before it's gone. Come on in. If you remember one of the last videos we did, half the walls were gone and it was just a complete mess. And you can see this is the finished product. This is what my son-in-law Ryan ended up doing. And then they professionally staged this as well. There was a big tree leaning over to the neighbor's house that was removed. The whole backyard was redone. The front yard was redone as well. He did add AC unit. I don't know why it's so big, but he did add AC unit here. There was a wall here, and that was removed, and load-bearing beam was put in place. And you can see how much it opened it up to the living area. So this is the kitchen, and you've got all the appliances. The refrigerator goes there. A little dining area, you know, breakfast nook, whatever you want to call it. And then he decided to put the darker, you know, wood cabinets. Normally he's been going with a white shaker, but those were changed up. For this flip, watch your step coming down here. And then an overhang, and then you got 4 seating areas here. Obviously, it could probably use another couple of seating areas there if you have lots of people that want to sit there or kids. This was a wide open space, and they had debated whether to put the wet bar back in or not. I think it was a great choice that they decided to keep it in. As you can see, you know, this is a perfect space in between here. They put the wet bar back in. They put the wine fridge here as well. The cabinets match everything else that goes on in the house. We'll start over with the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom with the slider going out the back. We put double pane windows, double pane doors, which is what we always do in our flips. And then we have in here a his and a hers, vanity area, take your pick, his or hers, and then a large walk-in closet. Yeah, large walk-in closet with some shelving and stuff in case you needed to do any of that stuff. And then they decided they wanted to take the shower area. Had a bathtub, but it was configured way differently than it is now. And you can see they put a giant shower with different areas where the water comes out of. And then they decided to also put a bathtub inside. And then they enclosed the whole thing, which makes it very dramatic. They put special tile all the way around. And then that wraps around to the vanity area as well. And you can see that it all kind of conforms. And then to my left here is the toilet area for the primary bath and bathroom area. Okay, we'll step back out here. So we have an additional 3 bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms. They put brand new doors in here, different design doors. As you can see around all the windows, they put trim around all these windows. And they do that and all the doors as well. The closet door there is kind of a newer style as well. And then we put a light in here. Pretty much you'll see the same pattern in the this bedroom here. Same kind of configuration, same doors, the trim around the window, same light fixture. And then we'll go to the last bedroom here. Same thing, same doors, same window trim, same light fixture, pretty much the same. And then we have the guest bathroom here. And you always want to have a guest bathroom that has a tub, because these 3 rooms are probably going to be full of kids and they need to take baths. And so that's why you always want to keep one. In the master, or in the primary, whatever you want to call it, in the primary, we always pretty much take that out and just put a shower in there. But there was so much room there that he decided to put that bathtub back in there. And I think people will appreciate it. Again, the same countertops, the same cabinets in here, pretty much the same flow as the rest of the house here. The trims, you can see the trims around the doors match up with everything else. And then washer and dryer area here. So you got washer and dryer, you've got both 220 and gas, and you got the hot water coming out of there. You got plenty of room, and then you have a 3-car garage out here. So anyways, pretty amazing. I hope you guys are impressed with what he did, how he did it, the timeline, which was really short. He got multiple offers in a few days, ended up picking the best offer, obviously. About a 30-day closing. That'll be done, and he'll be on to his next project. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate it. Make sure you like and you subscribe.